In this exciting adventure, SuiteTrails invites you on an unforgettable journey through Kigali, Rwanda. Prepare to discover 7 must-try experiences that offer a glimpse into the vibrant culture and natural beauty of this captivating city. Join us as we uncover hidden gems and share tips from locals who have walked these paths before. Whether it's exploring local markets, tasting traditional cuisine, or discovering hidden waterfalls, each activity promises to enrich your visit to Rwanda. Stay tuned for more insights and recommendations.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Welcome to Kigali. As your local guide on Get Your Guide, I reside in this dynamic metropolis for 5 years, and am excited to share my experiences with you. Throughout my tenure, I have had the privilege of exploring its rich history, bustling markets, fascinating museums, and exquisite cafes. In addition to these cultural highlights, we can also indulge in the local cuisine, ensuring that your palate is equally delighted. During our journey, we will uncover the hidden treasures of Kigali, from the somber Kigali Genocide Memorial to the vibrant markets where you can sample local delicacies and artisanal crafts. Local Cuisine Aficionado introduces 5 distinct dining spots, offering 9 exquisite gastronomic adventures. Guests are encouraged to arrive well-fed for this interactive culinary journey, lasting approximately 2.5 to 3 hours. Options exist for either a midday leisurely exploration or an evening rendezvous characterized by its lively ambience, often punctuated by music, performances, and live entertainment. Five days spent immersing oneself in Rwanda's natural beauty begin with a pickup from the guest's accommodation in Kigali, leading to a journey to Nyamirambo National Park. Here, guests will engage in an unforgettable experience by embarking on a guided chimpanzee tracking expedition, where they venture into the dense forests with expert trackers to witness the diverse primate populations, including chimpanzees, gorillas, and other wildlife. The next day, after an early morning breakfast, participants embark on a thrilling 1-hour Kigali motorcycle adventure that transcends mere tourism, transforming into an exhilarating odyssey illuminated by the city's vibrant lights. Navigate through the bustling rhythms of Kiyovu's nocturnal scene, the pulsating streets of Nyamirambo, and the kaleidoscope of markets, cultural hubs, and artistic districts, led by seasoned professionals who ensure both safety and unparalleled enjoyment. Upon awakening, guests are promptly picked up from their accommodation in Kigali, or directed to a predetermined rendezvous location. Following this, they embark on an engaging urban exploration of Rwanda's vibrant capital through the enchanting company of a knowledgeable local guide. The journey commences in a safari van, which provides an unparalleled vantage point as the verdant hills of Kigali zip past beneath them. Upon arrival at the first destination, visitors are immersed in the rich tapestry of Kigali's historical heritage, delving into the intricacies of its pre-colonial and colonial epochs. Embark on an enlightening journey through the artistry of basket weaving in the bustling city of Kigali, Rwanda. Under the tutelage of skilled Rwandan artisans, participants immerse themselves in the meticulous techniques and profound heritage of this ancient craft. As you meticulously construct your very own creation, you uncover the rich symbolism embedded within each intricate design and pattern. The experience commences with a warm reception from the local craftsmen, who share tales of their ancestral traditions and the invaluable role that basket weaving plays in Rwandan culture. Welcome to the Kigali Airport Express. This service seamlessly integrates with both arrivals and departures at Kigali International Airport. Our team of professional drivers ensures a warm greeting upon arrival, providing an exceptional travel experience tailored for ease and comfort. Under the guidance of Go Rwanda Now, we offer a comprehensive range of services designed to exceed expectations. Our drivers are not only proficient in navigating the city, but are also knowledgeable about local attractions and hidden gems, enriching your visit with insider tips.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.